Okay, now I want to show you sometimes you want to do the stock in because of the purchase, and then you want to let your staff at the outlet to do the receiving because they are the one who receive the stock. They can check the physical stock. So first you log into the Feedme portal. Here you go to inventory. The first step is to add the supplier. So for example, you just click add supplier, then you add all the necessary information, and then you save. So you just add all your supplier here. And the second thing is that you can see here you can see all your stock balance. You can do receive, request, approval, and everything. So now you have all your inventory. I assume you watched my previous video already. You have all your inventory available. Now you want to create a transfer or create a request for purchase, and you click here. You go to receive, click create transfer. So what kind of transfer you want? Actually, for purchase is also inside the transfer. This is how Feedme design. So let's say now I do purchase. Okay, reference you can do anything. You have PO number, you have your invoice number, etc. So here you add item. For the item that appear here is the ingredient, not the product. So let's say I choose all, I confirm. And then you can put how many you request from the supplier. 100, this one 1000, 1000 gram. This one drumstick you buy 100. And the sambal you buy 1000 ml. Then you save. Okay. So once you save, it will be here as a draft. So as a draft, sometimes you still haven't sent to the POS machine yet, yeah. So if you have anything you want to update, you can click back the update and you can change the quantity. And if you confirm that this is correct already, then you confirm the draft. You confirm it. Confirm. Okay, after you confirm, you cannot delete it anymore, right? So when the status change to receiving means that it is in the post already. It's in the POS already. So the only way to approve to receive it is from the post application. So let's say I go back to the post application. Again, you go back to here. You go to inventory. Then from here, you need to change to purchase. Of course, you need to let the device sync. So this device I assume not sync yet, I turn off, or you can log in, log out. Then I go back again. So by right after a while, it will synchronize to the POS machine. Then the POS machine can see the purchase request. So usually Feedme, their update is like every few minutes. You have to wait for some time to let it synchronize. So what we do just now is correct already. You just have to wait. It's already in the receiving. So you just have to wait. So by right it should appear here. Okay, now you see something here already, right? ABC Sdn Bhd. I click inside. Say this is all the purchase request. Now if you want to receive stock, let's say you do receive. Okay, in this case I receive everything that the back office request. In another case, maybe they request for a lot of things, but the supplier just send halfway only. Let's say Coke. I order 100. And then I save. So here you must remember to do the confirm draft. Okay, so it's in the receiving status already. So by right it should appear here. So let's do this again. Okay, now I see two already. This complete, this one complete. You can also see back the information receiving. So if I do receive, if you receive only not the one that you request, you can click on the blue button. So you have 100 but you receive 80 only. Let's say you receive maximum is 100. You need to deduct. You receive 50, let's say, save. So you receive 50, I do receive stock. So in this case, after you receive stock, it's still in the receiving status. So the next time when you come back, the supplier send again, then now you do receiving again another 50, you receive. Okay. Now you can do this 150. Hold on. Okay. So now in total is 100 you receive. So you can see it's complete already. If you click back and if you go back to the back end, so let's say I refresh the whole page. So for the second case, you can check what is the delivery history. The first one, overview. You will need time to synchronize here, but of course we can enforce it. How do we enforce it is we go here. If you don't enforce it, it actually will automatically synchronize to the cloud. Yeah. So now I just do this because I enforce it to synchronize. Connect. I click this one. Yeah. So when I enforce it and I refresh the page, actually you just have to wait for a few minutes. Alright. So if everything is already received, here the status will change. It will become complete. Alright. I go back to inventory, purchase. It will change the status to become like this. Alright. But some people, they don't want to let their POS cashier to do the receiving. They say everything that they request, surely the supplier will send. Then you can click the button here. Then you turn this button on, auto receive purchase order. So after you turn this on, all the purchase order created will receive automatically after you restart the whole POS. Okay. So by right, this page, the status will also automatically change. Alright. So sometimes it take like 10 minutes because it's not like every second is synchronized one. So this one you just assume you will change to complete. Alright. Refresh. Okay. So when I press the refresh button, it becomes complete already. When you click inside, you can check the delivery history. Because on the second order just now I received separately 2 times. 50, 50. Got one time I put 0. So 50 you can check all the time. And the first one I received it in one time, everything. So this is how you do it. So if you want to make sure whether they receive or not, you can click the refresh button.